Jai Shri Gurudev, welcome to physics online class. Today we are going to solve the problems on capacitance. I have written one problem. Please read the questions. You can pause and you can write the problem. And this is the combination of capacitors we have, and we have to find out the effective capacitance of this combination. So here first we have to start with the simple combination, and here we have square. In the square there are 4 capacitors. We have 4 capacitors. If you take these two are points, between this point we have 2 combinations here. 12 and 4 are connected in series. Again 9 and 3 are connected in series because it is a end-to-end connection, just like a series as we did in case of combination of capacitors. See here, it is a end-to-end connection. In the same way 9 and 3 are also in end-to-end connection. These effective capacitance and these two capacitors effective capacitance will be in parallel because they are connected between the common point. So ಎರಡು common point ನಡುವೆ ಇದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರದ್ದು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ, ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಅದರ್ ಟು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ಸ್. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಟ್, ಆನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಈಚ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಈ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ರೀಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಅವಾಗ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ 9 μF ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 3 μF ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಸೀರೀಸಲ್ಲಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು CS ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? 1/CS is equal to 1/C1 plus 1/C2. If you have only 2 capacitors connected in series, you can directly write the expression for effective capacitance. See, this is not a exact effective capacitance. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಏನು, ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ನಮಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬಂದಿರೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. 1/, ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಮಗೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 1/CS is equal to C1 C2 C1 plus C2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು 1/CS. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, CS is equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. ಸೊ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 2 capacitors ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, CS is equal to 9 into 10 power micro is 10 power minus 6 into 3 into 10 power minus 6 divided by 9 into 10 power minus 6 plus 3 into 10 power minus 6. Minus 6, it is minus 12. 9 3s are 27 into 10 power minus 12 whole divided by 12 plus, into 10 power minus 6. Because it is an addition, we have to take the 10 power minus 6 common, then we'll have 12 into 10 power minus 6. If this 10 power minus 6 go to the numerator, it becomes plus 10 power minus 12 plus 6, it is 10 power minus 6 only again. So into. So how can you calculate here? 27 by 12 you can calculate. It is 2.25. It is 2.25 microfarad. 2.25 microfarad. So next, in the same way, we will calculate the effective capacitance of 12 mu f and 4 mu f. They are also in series combination. 12 mu f and 4 mu f are in series. Directly I can use the formula. Again we have, you can take this as C1 and this as C2 is equal to 12. Again we will get 10 power minus 6 only. So I will directly write the value 12 into 4 divided by 12 plus 4 into 10 power minus 6. How we got the 10 power minus 6? I have shown here. You can copy with that. By 16, we have 3 microfarad into 10 power minus 6. 10 power minus 6 can be written as microfarad. Now I am going to reduce the circuit. ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So this is 2 mu f, 6 mu f. Now what is the effective capacitance of this part? It is 2.25 microfarad. And what is the effective capacitance of this combination? This part is 3 mu f. Isn't it? So now these two capacitors are connected between the common points. That is why they are said to be connected in parallel. And what is the formula for effective capacitance? When two capacitors are connected in parallel, so you can write it here. 2.25 mu f and 3 mu f are in parallel. They are in parallel. Therefore, C3 is equal to formula. We have C1 plus C2, that is 2.25 plus 3 mu f, that is equal to 5.25 mu f. Again reduce the circuit. See here, 2 mu f, and what is the combination has been reduced it to? It is 5.25 mu f and 6 mu f between the points A and B. And what is the combination of all the three capacitors? Since it is connected end to end, it is a series combination. And finally, C4 is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3, that is equal to 2 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5.25 plus 1 by 6. At the end, I can carry the 10 power minus 6. You can write it at the end while writing the final answer. At the end, we have to take the reciprocal. We should not forget to take the reciprocal of it. I'll directly calculate by taking the ratio. You can calculate by taking the LCM. all the values. We have 0.856 microfarad, that is, here we have to take the reciprocal because it is 1 by C4, but we need the value C4. C4 is equal to, take the reciprocal of it, that is 1 divided by 0.856, and it is 1.168. Here it will be 10 power 6. If you take the reciprocal, it will be 10 power minus 6, that is the microfarad. So this is the effective capacitance of this combination. So what we have done, first we have calculated the effective capacitance for two capacitors which are in series. Again 12 and 4 are in series, calculate the effective capacitance for that also. And what is the formula we have used? CS is equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. Next, the circuit has been reduced to this form, and the effective capacitances which we have calculated will be in parallel combination. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಕಂಡಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ C3. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಂಥ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಆವಾಗ 3 ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಆಲ್ ದ 3 ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ the n number of capacitor which are connected in series, that is C 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 by C4 ಇರೋವಂಥದ್ದು, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 1 by CS ಅಂದರೆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕೋ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ combination of capacitances. In the next class, we'll solve some more problems related to the capacitances. Thank you.